everybody, welcome back to Cool Cat's Garage, and I want to show you all a product that came in from the good folks at MichaelProTools.com, and it is this set of SAE wrenches. It goes from 5/16 to 3/4 and 8-piece set. What I really love about it, folks, is how it's curved for leverage. You can see it right here. If I can see, yeah, right there. You can put a lot of leverage on this. I'm telling you, that is a cool thing. So this is a 97 Silverado right here, working on, and mainly everything on this truck is, I mean, it's metric. But the cool thing about it is I didn't have any Michael Pro Tool metric, but next greatest thing, I've got these SAE and I know how to convert it over. So this 1/2 inch will work on a 13. So I've already got most of it on. I was readjusting this latch mechanism here to help the hood close a little tighter. And but hey, let's show you guys how it works. I'm just going to finish tightening it up. I'll show you how that leverage works. It's really cool. I don't know if you guys have went over there to the World Wide Web and searched for Michael Pro Tools, but do yourself a favor. If you love tools like I love tools, it is fun. They have so many innovative tools. It blows my mind. Just things like this, you know, and just it's endless. It's crazy, and they're all at a great price. Mostly everything has a lifetime warranty. I think you send it back and you get a new one, or you take a picture of a broken piece and toss it. They'll send you a new one. But let me show you this leverage, guys, gals. That's what I like about it. You can put a lot of leverage on this thing, and it feels good in your hand, and it works awesome. You know, a regular wrench is going to totally cut into your hand, and I use a lot of the Mac knuckle savers, and you know, they're squared off at the end, but those, when you're putting a lot of torque down on those, they hurt, they pinch. But I'm a man, I can take it, right? But anyway, these are super nice. They are very affordable. I don't want to say how much they are because I can't remember, so I don't want to steer anybody wrong, but like I say, they are Michael Pro Tools. It's a company based out of Missouri. These items come from Taiwan, and they're built well. So give it a shot. Check out their website. They're more than willing to help, give advice, and steer you in the right direction. So thanks a lot, folks. I appreciate you watching this, and I hope everybody has a great night. Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and please ring that bell. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night.